Oh gosh. Oh, my bad. In case you're wondering what this is, even though you should already know because this is the title of the video, it is a new gaming keyboard. Now I know what you're gonna say. Wow, you have one already. Well, I do, but it's at my dad's. I'm tired of packing the same thing over and over, and I'm tired of using this keyboard. It is just not good at all. I didn't get a mouse, but that's fine. I ordered this from GameStop. I just felt like doing an unboxing because, you know, why not? So I'm just gonna camera. Okay. Oh gosh. Come on. Oh my gosh. Why don't I just... There we go. Hold up. Oh my gosh, this isn't good. Okay. You know what, I'll just cut it to where I get it open. Here it is. Oh, I've never seen that wrapping before. Oh, that was a squeaker. Alright. Oh, it won't pop. Oh! Out my toe. These are squeaker bags. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh! Get out of here, box. Oh, gosh! No, please don't fall over. Okay. And I know another thing y'all are gonna say. Why do you have an Xbox? Because I like Xbox, don't judge me. And I'm getting a PS5 soon anyway, so yeah, hush. Okay. Oh, we can just slide it off. Oh, that looks so cool. I hope sounds, well, I mean, it's gonna sound like a mechanical keyboard, because that's exactly what it is. Alright, you know, I'm just gonna... Come on, open it. There we go, alright. This is taking too long. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. It has like a little rest thing. Oh, rest. It has a hand rest, so like you put your hand on like that. Some mechanical keyboards sound different. And the one at my dad's sounds pretty good. I like it. But there are some keyboards that I'm like, oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I don't want to click it yet. I want it to be a surprise. Come on. Open up. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna hook this up and let you guys know when I'm done. Okay, so I have it set up. I like the way this one flows, like it's all one color instead of just every color. I mean, I know I could fix that on my other keyboard, but let's see how it sounds. Oh my gosh, I love it. Dude, it sounds so good. Okay, it's got a little volume button. I mean, like most do. Oh, I love this so much. Wait, hold up. That is so cool. Yeah, I am missing a mouse though, so that's the only problem. And my stepdad was playing Assassin's, whatever this game is. But oh my gosh, I love it. Wait, hold up. Can this play? Does this game support keyboard and mouse? It does. It does support keyboard and mouse. All of that is cool. Sign in. Oh, the answer. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Oh wait. Yeah, I don't really have a mouse. I'll try to find one somewhere, but do I like it better than the one at my dad's? No, I like them both the same. Even the sound of it. I mean, I kind of like how like the colors are like one and it fades to another color. Like the one at my dad's like is a different. It's all the colors like flowing across the side. I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm just saying. I mean, I like them both the same. Like no matter, but I do like how this is only one USB cable and not two like my other one has. Overall, I really love this keyboard. I don't know how much it was. It was probably not cheap. Keyboards aren't cheap at all. Oh, I'm flying. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find a mouse. Oh, I'm getting a gaming mouse this Christmas. I mean, I have one, but I know some of you are gonna be like, "You're so extra." Like you don't want to just pack this same thing. Like it doesn't take that much effort. No. Okay, I want to stick with... And plus, I'm trying to organize my room. So I found a mouse, but the clicking doesn't work. See, like I can't place anything down. It's broken. You can hear the springs. But just besides that, I really love this keyboard. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh wait, hold up. We still gotta do one more thing. We gotta peel that plastic off. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it ripped. Dang it. Satisfying. Alright. See you guys later.